7 natural foods and herbs for stronger, healthier lungs. Breathe easier with these natural foods and herbs that will protect your lungs from harmful pollution and strengthen with anti-inflammatory properties. 1. Peppermint. Minty fresh breath is beneficial not only to those around you, but to your body, too. The American Cancer Society points to peppermint oil for treating ailments of the lungs, while recent research shows that the herb may help athletes breathe better. In an Iranian study published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition, participants who drank water spiked with peppermint essential oil had improved respiratory rates. Probably because of the way the mint relaxed their bronchial muscles. 2. Eucalyptus. If just the thought of vacationing in Australia causes you to sigh deeply, there may be a reason. Eucalyptus, which grows naturally in the land down under, has been shown to prevent bronchitis flare-ups when combined with 2 other essential oils containing components of lime and pine. That also explains why cough drops often contain extracts of the eucalyptus plant. 3. Vitamin D. The scoop: people who are deficient in vitamin D may be more likely to get respiratory tract infections, according to a recent report in Vitamins and Hormones. The study authors also point to the sunshine vitamin as a possible treatment for asthma. 4. Tea. In a Journal of Inflammation study using guinea pigs, the harmful effects of cigarette smoke, oxidative stress, inflammation, programmed cell death, apoptosis, and lung injury were prevented by an infusion of black tea. Like many other food sources that can help improve lung health, it seems to be the tea's high antioxidant content that provides the benefits. 5. Whey protein. Can whey guide the way to a clearer respiratory system? At least one study has reported that supplementing with whey-based products can help patients with cystic fibrosis. That's because whey increases levels of glutathione, an antioxidant that defends against damage to the lungs. 6. Apples. An apple a day may keep lung problems at bay, a recent report out of London reveals. Researchers from St. George's Hospital Medical School discovered that among 2,500 study participants, those who had 5 or more apples per week had slightly better overall lung function. Quercetin, an antioxidant found in apples, may help protect the lungs against smoke and other pollutants. 7. Blueberries. Lately, the news on blues has been good, with studies linking the berries to improved heart health, sharper brains and even slimmer waistlines. Now, researchers reveal that blueberries, which pack more antioxidant punch than most other produce, may reduce the harmful effects of air pollution. In an observational study presented at the American Heart Association's annual meeting in 2014, scientists found that changes in heart function during heavy smog days around Boston tended to be less likely among elderly male participants who had recently eaten flavonoid-rich foods such as blueberries. Chocolate and wine are also full of flavonoids, but contain more calories, which could counteract the benefits. It's suspected that flavonoids may help regulate the immune system and even reprogram genes to protect you against air pollution.